So we have another interesting banger video, that is integration by parts. So one thing we should know here is we will say u is equal to 5x, where you know say the derivative of 5x is basically 5. And you know to say we always take the integral of v. So dx, where you know to say the integral of this function is 1 over 4 e to the power 4x. Now we know how to integrate looking at the previous videos we are from doing. So we know to say integration by parts is guided using by this formula here. So we know to say the first u is always the normal u. In this case it is what? 5x, while v, regardless of state, is always the integral v. In this case it is e to the power 4x over 4 minus, where this u now is the differentiated u. In this case it is 5, where v, it is always integrated. In this case it is e to the power 4x over 4, where you know to say we can bring this 5x outside. So we will have 5x e to the power 4x over 4 minus 5 over 4, the integral of e to the power 4x, where you know to say the integral of e to the power 4x is 1 over 4 e to the power 4x plus c. So we just get to multiply what we have. So we have 5 over 4 x to the power e to the power 4x minus 5e to the power 4x over 16 plus c. So this is the integration of the function which has been given on top here. Thank you. So looking at this as well, you have two different functions. We have 2 theta and sine theta, which are being integrated with respect to d theta. So what we'll do here, we'll make our 2 theta to be u, where you not say if you were to differentiate 2 theta in respect to theta, it is 2. So where we said v is always an integral, where you not say the integral of sine theta is negative cos theta. So where you not say differentiation by parts, we have uv minus the integral of uv dx, where you know to say this u is always the normal one. In this case it is the 2 theta, where v is always the integral, which is negative cos theta, minus the integral of, you know to say this u which is here is the differentiated one. In this case it is the 2, where the v is always the integral, which is negative cos theta. From here now we multiply negative times negative, giving us a positive 2, where we will have cos theta to be inside. Now you know to say negative 2 theta cos theta, the integral of cos theta is sine theta plus c. So this is how we integrate the given function which is above using integration by parts.